Okay, this is going to be a unboxing of a project that I did for Chris Danino and his company Enterdyne. Some of you may have seen the logo that I had designed for him on one of my videos, and that was going to be a business card. And today those cards have arrived. I am going to look at them for the very first time, and I pray that they look good. Let's see how they look. Pretty good with the shiny aqua foil. The only thing is they were supposed to have rounded corners, so that could be a problem. Other than that, they came out very cool. Thank you. Peace.